Cotton, in the puzzle after the second chest, like in the jumping thing, where do you go?
One that reaches deep into the Black
Yeah,
Garden.
but that is so risky.
Once again,
I think
we are beckoned into their trap. They expect us to follow the
I think I haven't
to
ever, like,
discover
in
where
the
it
last 5
leads.
years, used Strafe Glide. I don't know how to jump
Play
fields.
their game. But this
Open
time,
the flower.
No,
Like go
like that's
one by one and open it.
I'm a warlock. How do you open it without falling? Like, I mean, that's what I'm doing, but like this time it didn't work. Like, no, if anything, potatoes would just like wait for us. Potatoes would just wait for us and shoot it open. Because like he's a titan, he can't fuck up.
Watch me.
Yep, me normally neither, but well, this one time I did.
You fucking casual, honestly.
Of
Yes,
course, I'm always doing it the past 5 years.
I've done nothing but use Burst Glide in D2. Even when it was trash, I'm like, Burst Glide.
Burst Glide has never been trash.
No,
It's
dude,
the fastest.
what you do is you play like Holy does. You have like 100 mobility, always. Like, you know how fucking far Holy can jump? Far. Every time I pass by this box, I'm gonna look at it. And be like,
Nice. You suck. I don't think you have to jump for this one, do you?
you're gonna have to pick up first, 100%. Which is weird, because I literally just picked up. It's behind him! I told you! You're like, oh, it's impossible for me. He plops it behind him sometimes. It honestly is like the weirdest thing to look at. You're like, huh. Yeah. Not today, loser.
Okay, no, that sounds like, yo. Okay, it's something on that. This one's so fucking precise, honestly. They come both on both of us. Shall I look down?
Alright, just gonna pick this one up and then scoot over.
Just gonna change subclass and shit now. Oh fuck, that was stupid. Oh, you already did it. Okay. Ja, weil das ist Cyclops ja. So. Let's just snipe the Minotaur from here. Yes, they do that all the time for somehow. Like I noticed it yesterday, and since then, like every time we did this.
I
was
think
not
it's
doing
because
this.
they must have messed something up when they added supplicants to the game.
Maybe.
Because honestly, like supplicants move like they want to shoot. Like they'll legitimately like do the harpy thing when they're about to like beam at you, and then they'll be like, "Oh wait." Like
Flows open, careful.
yeah, I know. I'm just waiting for it.
Don't. Ooh. I really hate when somebody like just is a wildlander sword skating too close to these guys. Like they are so fucking trigger happy.
They are honestly super touchy.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yes. I should have all of my enhanced stuff on now, so I do the swap faster.
I'm ready when you are.
Same.
Okay, fuck off.
Honestly, why don't you have to reload that ranged sword? Yeah. I think those like the melee weapons in like Killing Floor that you have to reload because they have like explosive charges built into them. Like there's a sledgehammer that has an explosive charge built into it.
Go.
I put special care convicted into making sure that I didn't shoot down that corridor with a stray bullet. I am 1000% sure a random ricochet bullet didn't just like cruise down.
I'm just gonna play it safe this time and use my well. There's no reason I shouldn't. So many fucking ads here.
Because the undergrowth defense is like...
Why is this thing immune? Can you shoot it? I just couldn't shoot the fucking cube thing.
Punch it. It's the most Titan thing on the fucking planet. I punch it and it explodes. I don't have the explosive punch on this subclass though, because I have shoulder charge. Ooh, woo.
Kenneth can't fuck off.
No. But he can think about it. Yeah, it's fun. Happens occasionally. We just repair it now anyway, so... I think something might have integrated bottom at some point, like it doesn't look full, so we have to repair that as well at some point.
I'm gonna clear right side and then go up.
No, that's a legal goblin.
And it's...
Who would have thought? Convicted, once you finish right, come bottom. There's no one there, David. Thanks. Yeah, okay, it was full. No double.
right side.
Oh, David, you help him, I'll go left again. Next time we'll repair left. Oh, that's a legal goblin. Keep having to tell you.
I got it, Mod. Okay, you doing left now? Right?
Yeah. Cyclops is bottom.
Just not
Cyclops
on that. I'm going to bottom. You do top and left. Okay, you're already done.
Colony, baby.
Okay, because I'm not repairing.
No, I'll come back, I'll come back. I'm coming. Hydra's left. Obviously, because it's the last place you could spawn.
Somebody on top? Okay. I'm gonna do top and bottom, and you go kill these hunters. Pretty sure that's it actually. Yeah, so we lost that one. some point the Vault Line to middle is gonna kill me. Calling it.
At some point, Hydra Explosion is gonna kill me.
Yes. I'm like stupid careful with that.
I'm stupid not careful with that. I don't respect it one bit.
I'll get the top one. Can you stop strafing? What the fuck is this Hydra doing?
AD.
Wait a moment.
No. Dude, he's playing Counter-Strike in a pistol round. AD.
I got top.
Yo, come on.
Top and right are done.
Ah, supplicants. I do respect supplicants though.
Yes.
Just not Hydras. Nice. Machine gun and thing.
Let's see, do I have 5 times or not? I do. Let's hope this shit works. Two enhanced. Let's get these 2 relay, two normal.
Oh, fuck my arm.
1 normal. Fuck's sakes, dude.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter so much in this encounter. Let's go.
Let's just hold this fucking fight. Fuck, the motes flew like 10 feet into the air.
Holy moly. Next is, yeah. Interesting. Maybe he's a stalker. He's tired of us humiliating him in his encounter. Christ, there are a lot of them.
On the hall right
Yeah,
here.
I see it. Holy shit, I nearly ran with 9. You can go convicted.
Supplicants. Behind me, on me, in this hallway. It's honestly quite good that the spawning animation is so loud.
It is. be quick, because I'm out already. Okay, you're fine.
Sup?
Supplicant.
Just fucking scooted over here. I shoot the last one. Can you stop, Jesus?
Good damage though.
Really good.
Ugh, I hate it when
moving
he
to the
goes
top.
down though, yeah.
Yep. Delay the pickup.
Yeah.
Already full special somehow.
Not gonna lie, that was kinda close, I missed a shot.
Oh my god, can't get the ball down.
Oh no.
How can we recover from that? Can we recover from that?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, the Minotaur spawn is on me, so it's fine. Okay. I'm running.
I am leaving. Go to the... Oh, fuck's sakes!
He's just standing there. What is he doing? Looking menacingly.
Just gets a fucking vigilant swing out of nowhere. Gonna delay.
Did you happen to get any of those motes from the last one I killed or not? And you have 10? Yeah, okay. I should be fine then. We got away with it, boys.
There's already supplicants following me in case you wanna get those.
They are, but they're kind of going that middle.
Okay, I'm gonna break the last one. Get your Izanagis ready.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break the last one on... Well, actually, yeah, can't really decide whether this kinda...
I mean, the
Okay,
thing
I got
is...
it. Get your Izanagis out. That's a nutty ass damage, Jesus.
That was really good.
Like stunned him instantly and all. Yo. Yo! They took like a shot and it didn't know. Yeah, that's so much quicker.
That's e-bullying. You think Holy's done 25 fudges yet?
No. Like,
He got a rare bounty where you have to do 25 fudges. Yeah. That's exactly the type of like luck you expect from Holy. Like he actively doesn't want to do anything else in Destiny 2 but like speedrun. And the game's like, do 25 fudges. Hate these fucking things.
I never do, but like only when it's like actually like important not to get killed by them. That is when I'm like scared. Like I don't
Same.
respect these at all. But yes.
Yes, I agree. Convicted, you should hold up a bit, because like they're gonna spawn and pretty much only have you to shoot at. I honestly thought because these things, these windmills, look just
Yeah.
like the disintegration gates from
Yes.
Menagerie. I
thought they would
honestly
kill you.
thought they killed you. Yeah, and then Whammy just stands on one. I'm like, huh.
It just took my jump away midair while I was like going over that thing. That's how they kill you.
It's like a no jump field.
I'm so nervous right now. With this jumping puzzle.
Hands sweaty, knees to spaghetti, fingers spaghetti, sweater spaghetti.
This would be so much harder if this actually like was integration, disintegration once.
I'm just gonna wait here for a bit.
Okay, remember, you go first and open up the floor when I tell you to.
Okay, how about this? When we run up and spawn the ads, I'm gonna place a bubble. Forehead. I don't actually have my bubble, I'm not even close. The enemy is here, boys.
Go take a step back.
Whatever.
Fuck sakes. Dude. Okay, are you ready to open up the floor for me?
So you want the flower around the blind corner to be open?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Okay. Open it.
That was
Nice.
a honed edge.
Okay. Okay, Cotton, do the same. Right now
It's
it is.
closed. Yeah.
Dude,
My
these
wall
can
is
shoot
closed.
from so far away. Jesus Christ. I can't. What the fuck? It's just going through. It was just going through it. I shot it 3 times.
It's because it's. I think it was penetrating it.
Taking it the safest I ever have. I really only get nervous in these jumping puzzles when you do this flawless shit.
I don't know. I was feeling pretty tense in like the last encounter. That's why I missed the shot, shooting eyes. I'm like,
No, like that's when I'm on point. Like in these really stressful situations, but in jumping puzzles I just get so nervous.
I'm gonna break my mouse with how tightly I'm gripping it.
Kinda suck.
I would.
Guess we're too many.
That's what you're. Are you serious? Our mojo! Fine. Well, I'm rallying, and I'll also go pee then.
Okay.
If everyone's fucking peeing.
Not me. Hello. Potato's also peeing. David? When I have a sniper rifle loader, and I also put on a rifle loader, the generic one, do you think that works like twice? Did some... Potato, what's your opinion on this? When I have a sniper rifle loader equipped, and I also put on a rifle loader, do you think that gives me double the benefit?
I have washed my hands so that they are no longer sweaty.
Okay. I put on a sweatshirt, so if I die, it's because of the increased friction my arm has on the table.
Interesting. I also found out that line ramparts are arc by default, so I have machine gun scavenger now. Okay, are you guys ready?
No, but might as well get this done.
I can try at least. Okay, so before Convicted goes in, like, obviously depending on where the block is, try to repel whatever he destroyed off of me going in. Obviously, it entirely depends on what he broke, if that's possible. But,
It's gonna break the back left. Pretty sure that's quite the far one. But the ads are down, we can't repair that so long, man.
it literally does. You can pull left whenever.
Can also pull right whenever. In a moment.
You can pull right whenever.
Okay, you're going in. Yeah, I'm gonna kill these ads, then go in.
Right. I'll kill that Cyclops. Or not.
Like, did I kill it or did you also damage?
I got damage, but I'm pretty sure you got the kill.
I don't know, like I only have 1-2, I don't think I can kill in one hit.
Oh. Oh, he has it already.
Pull left.
I'm killing that Cyclops convicted. Shields right. Yeah, waiting for next ad wave.
Place. That was a quick clear.
They're
as well.
always using a machine gun. Careful with where you place the well.
Oh, come on, no. Same. Yes.
It's fine. Rebuild left.
Yep. I'm coming to right.
They've convicted you, help him, I'll stay here.
Take a step back, there's a rift if you need it.
You two build one block before convicted goes in.
Yeah, let's do right side once it's in select stone pretty much. Let's go.
Careful for the Cyclops. Oh my god, I missed.
Got him.
Can he not for 1 second?
Going in right. Yeah, like had a honed edge loaded, but I thought I didn't, and then I accidentally reloaded again.
Yeah, I do that sometimes as well.
I think I only got 2 shots off in this one. Which is like really bad.
I can pull left whenever.
And right whenever. There's ads on right side teleporting to it.
Yeah. This is fucking absurd.
Copy that.
Copy James.
Yeah.
Valtteri, it's James. You can pull right whenever.
I'm gonna do this, there's too many ads. Play it safe. Okay, you're on the
Integrating right, integrating right.
Yep,
Yeah.
got him. Okay. You go in. I'm gonna wait a bit and then go in left. And going in left. And left. Oh, that's not far at all.
Nah.
There's a add-on left field. Okay, once the... Yeah. Let's do both left sides to repair after DPS.
Yes. I agree. Kill an extra wave of ads. Well, this one.
I don't know where you have to.
Careful where you place it. Yeah, that's good.
Nice. Okay, repair once the spire's back up.
Yeah. Only
Let's go
two,
back.
only two.
I'm gonna place this now, okay, so you just like it won't need it.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, we can do the other one. Convicted, go to your left. We can also do one right, I think. Insane.
I'm good on ammo as well. Fuck's happening?
Something has to go wrong.
Oh fuck, I said it. Yeah, honestly, like what?
Something. I
Colton, let's
built
repair on
something when I go.
outside. No, let's do it now.
Honestly, can you two go in at just about the same time so I can pull you at just about the same time so it doesn't take so much map?
Yeah. Good, I'm going in right side. I think. Like, I don't know, like I don't wanna switch something up now.
Yeah. Well, it's like happened before. It's just like, I mean, like, Convicted doesn't need to rush. You can pull left whenever. Christ, that's far.
I can pull right side whenever.
Is there any other ads left?
Left,
or-
left side is the one. I better thing.
Yeah, I got him. Oh, I should have. Yeah, I
I'm gonna
forgot,
get him, I'm
sorry.
gonna get him.
Christ. Let me out.
Okay. I'll get ads on left at least.
You can pull right whenever.
Someone just teleported right side. Okay, you go in on right. I'm gonna wait a bit and then
No, going together, going together.
you have two Cyclopses.
That's fine.
Place a bubble if we really have to, remember. Don't need much more damage. And left. Something sacrificing right, I think.
David still.
Thanks for getting that. Yes.
Eventually. One extra wave of ads. Yup.
I got well.
Okay, careful where you place it.
GG.
Stay here. Stand right the fuck here. Stay right the fuck here.
Okay, only one person to have been alive.
No, let me. I'm a Titan.
It's actually the reason you shouldn't win.
No. I have line ramparts. Shh. Shh.
Nice.
Come on, chest.
Let's go.
Inherent perfection. Very nice. Actually, you two jump down here and come, let's take a selfie.
Okay.
No, absolutely not. I'll equip the selfie emote whenever I find it. Where is it? Oh, I have 2 pages of exotics.
I stand like left and right of the chest and actually no. You'd have to really far away.
Well, let's just use third person. David table emote. David table emote. Nice. And
oh, that was so synchronized.
Convicted, try to line up with it.
Too far away. There we go.
Excellent.
Hold up, I want to get rid of my... Yeah, I can't get rid of these buffs.
And screenshot. Excellent. Let's get the fuck out of here before the game decides to randomly kill us.